Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit my Instagram pictures. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to do a screen recording, and also you guys can like see that I'm doing it and it's not like a prearranged thing. I already have some pictures that I am going to show you how to edit. And I guess the first one that I'm going to start off with, let's see. I'll do this one, okay, because I don't have this one on Instagram. Okay, so I usually go to Lightroom. If you don't have Lightroom, it's like the best editing app. I got it when it was free. I think it's $30 now. I don't know. Okay, so I just press on the little plus sign down there, then insert from my favorites, and then I'm gonna edit this picture. Come on. Anytime now. Okay, so usually I like my pictures looking bright. I like them very vibrant. I don't like any like dullness, so let's edit that and fix it right now because this is looking very bland. Okay, so I usually press on light and I put the exposure all the way up so that my skin is looking like it's beaming. Okay, contrast. I usually, depending on the situation, in this picture I'm going to put it down because I want you to see my highlights. Highlights, I usually will put my highlights just up a little. Shadows, I usually put down. Whites, depending on the situation, because like that looks fake. That just doesn't look flattering. So I literally will put it up just a little bit. Blacks, I usually always go down because I like, I personally like heavy contrast. So I think it's very like, ooh, attracting to the eye. So I like very bright and then very dark. Okay, so then I go into color and I always put my temperature down. Not a lot, only like 5, 4. And then I bring the tint up to like a 5 as well. I like it to have like a pink kind of like tone to it. I think it looks very pretty. Vibrance, I always like to bring up. Not like where it looks fake like that, like it looks kind of fake. So I'll go like 50. Okay, saturation I really don't do because as you can tell, like right here, like it just looks weird. You look like a cartoon. So I usually leave the saturation alone. Okay, now also a cool trick is up here on the right where it says mix. I go into there and you can actually adjust the color of everything going on. So let's say I want my grass to be a little greener. You can see how it's like editing it. So I just mess with that. I'll put the saturation up a little. Luminance, I usually like the luminance dark. I pretty much like how this photo is looking so far. So that's the before and then that's the after. Oops, where'd it go? Okay. And then I just save it to my camera roll. And that is basically how I edit like a simple like photo from far. Now let's talk about the face because I know that's what you guys all want to really see. Okay, so I'm gonna go into favorites. Let's see what picture I want to edit. I already posted most of these, so okay, I'll show you guys how I edit this picture. So as you can tell, it's very like orange. My wall looks very ugly. I don't like yellow in my pictures at all. I think yellow is just very unflattering for my skin tone because my skin tone is yellow. So I do the same thing. Exposure, I usually bring it up. Contrast, I bring it down. Highlights, I kind of like it down. You can see my actual highlight better. Shadows, down. Whites, that. Blacks, that. Color, I feel like color is the main thing to make your pictures popping. Like look, it literally went from yellow to like a cool and looks so much better. tint, the pink, vibrance, like that. Okay, and save. Okay, and let's compare the before and after. So that was the before, and then here's the after. Oh, and then to make sure that my pictures all match, because I like my actual Instagram feed to kind of look like it all blends together, I go on this app right here. It's the UNUM. And this already, like, it shows you all of your Instagram pictures that you uploaded, and then you can easily just import. There we go. And then you can add the one that you just created and see if it kind of like goes with the theme, like if the brightness is good. It just makes it like all, see if it's if it matches. In this case, I think it matches perfectly fine. So I'm content with it. Now I'm just gonna go upload it on Instagram. So that's how I edit my Instagram pictures. If you guys would like me to show you guys how I edit my thumbnails for YouTube, or how I make my intro in the beginning of the video, the little pew, pew, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll be happy to make that. But besides that, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day and a blessed day. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on that bell so you guys don't miss out. Thank you guys for watching and have a blessed day.